Hello, good day. So this is a demonstration video on how you can transfer funds from your e-wallet to your transaction wallet. So kindly know that the system deposits all your bonuses in your e-wallet automatically. So to begin this, first of all, ensure you're logged into your back office. Then click on Finance. Then scroll down and click on Fund Transfer. Then scroll down and click on ET Wallet Transfer. Once you click on it, it's going to open this page for you. Then you add the amount you want to transfer to your transaction wallet. Once you click transfer, this process will be completed. Thank you for watching this video.